We are at Round Rock Opportunity Center, which is disciplinary alternative education placement. We take over their education while they're here and help them transition back to their home campus.
Okay, yeah, we just need one stick right now.
We had been wanting to use wind power in our garden to power a pump to use the rainwater harvesting tank of 1,200 gallons of water that we'd had for several years, and we had not been able to use it other than just, with a hose. This is going to be an automatic watering system, and it's going to water, I'd say, 80% of the garden area. My students have been really involved in this project. They've done everything from running PVC pipe, cutting it, gluing it together, wiring. The culmination was, raising the turbine up after everything was already hooked up.
How does that feel? Heavy?
They did a great job. The Bright Green Future grant, this could not have been done without that grant. This allowed us to have the means to put up a professional wind turbine and one that will be used out here for a long time to come.